Ethan, where are you? Look at this. Hey Grayson. Guys, is that a nice view? Are we gonna go fly the drone?
At the bridge.
At the bridge? What's that? Can you see it? Can you see the drone still?
Wow.
There's the bridge.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Look at Ethan.
Is it just hovering right now?
Yep. See that, buddy?
What is wrong?
That's what it sees.
What is wrong?
You see?
Ethan,
What's that pond?
the pond? Where? Can I see? Whoa. Gray. What's over here?
More.
Whoa. Does that look cool?
Let's go in that pond. Let's go in that blue pond.
There's a blue pond.
The plane going over there. What? The plane going over there.
Wave at it. Wave at the drone.
The sun is killing my eyes.
Hi. Hi. Hi, drone. Guys, Uncle Jared's gonna land the drone. Point at the horsey. Horsey. Let's see the horsey. Horsey? Can I see? What's that? That's your mustache? Whoa. Can I see your mustache?
I'm Luigi.
You're Luigi.
And this is Mario.
And Mario and Luigi. Hi, Mario and Luigi.
Please subscribe to my videos.